I love bringing people together and I love hosting, and I don't get to do it that often.
It is cute.
I'm gonna get something new in my ears. There might be a tattoo involved. I want, obviously. That's so much. Good morning. It is Sunday. We're off to 9 a.m. yoga. Janine's staying with me this weekend. Well, she's leaving today, but we decided to have a rejuvenating Sunday. We're doing yoga and then possibly brunch, breakfast right afterwards.
So I look elongated.
We just finished yoga. I took them to where I usually do yoga in LIC. What'd you guys think?
Morning yoga. It was so good and relaxing. I fell asleep.
I think I fell asleep at one point.
I was snoring.
This was the first time my college friends and I were all together in the same place in real life after a long summer. Everyone was traveling, and these three girls, Maichi, Sasha, and Janine, you guys know I love you guys also so much. They literally made my college experience, so it was wonderful getting to spend real life time together, although we do talk every single day, so it felt like no days really went by since the last time I saw them all.
Do you want milk or do you want tea?
The yellow sauce. Can you back it up and show me the
I got the oolong. I got the strongest one.
What'd you get, Maichi?
So cute. I got the golden strawberry mango pomelo. Cheers.
I feel really grateful that I have a job that's super flexible. I get to work hybrid and from home, and so today I decided to co-work with Sasha while she was still in town, and Maichi's also here too. She was just taking a call, but we co-worked all day, which was really nice because we all used to work at the same club on campus at college, so it was very reminiscent of that time. I'm making garlic cubes. That's what I'm cooking.
This is crazy.
See, it like stays like this because it's like wet, you know?
I need to start doing this. What are you doing?
I'm making garlic cubes to freeze, and I use it.
What do you just like,
I cook with it.
you just like use one cube each
Like,
time?
yeah, whenever I want to cook with it. And then
It'll stay in the
it'll stay
freezer.
like this in the freezer.
Whoa.
We're making galbi-chim. I'm soaking the meat right now, and the rice is gonna cook first, and then we cook this.
No.
In there. I used to host so much in college, and tonight I invited Faith over with Sasha and Maichi to do a little cute dinner party. I made some galbi-chim in the rice cooker, and we all set up our little cameras to have a fun little girl dinner. That sounds so chronically online, but it was really nice to see everyone in my place. I used to love hosting and having friends over, so this was a great reminder of what I used to love doing in college and what I want to continue doing this year, hopefully. This egg combination is so good with the zong sauce from Fly by Jing. So good. Happy Monday, guys. Oh my god, it is not Monday. It's Tuesday. Last night I hosted a dinner and it was so nice. I love bringing people together and I love hosting, and I don't get to do it that often here in New York because I don't really have a lot of people to host and schedules that really align, so it was really fun to do it again. I really missed it, but it is a new day, a new work day, and I have a lot to do this week. So I'm gonna focus in on here, eat my little snack, and do my makeup after a call. But happy Tuesday! I am a huge lover of hybrid work, as you guys already know by now. So today I worked from home for a few hours, but decided I needed some cafe time. And for some reason, this cafe really gave me the juice today. I was a productivity machine, and I got a lot of work done by the end of the day and still caught some of the sun.
Wait, what is this?
I just left Rewatakia and I met Dana and Elaine. You guys were so cute. I bought a few things, but I cannot share. Anyway, the main part of why I'm in St. Mark's is because I want Sunny Angels, and we've stopped by my secret location that I'm not going to share, and I will gatekeep. I want, obviously, I love the bunny, but I'm actually fine with all of them. They're really cute. I mean, it would be great if there's a secret, but we'll see. These are the options. It's the card! Wait, this one's really cute. No. How is this possible? Now they look like twins. Learn my lesson. I'm back home and Sasha brought me a blind box, even though I just failed a blind box today.
It's okay.
This one's a Hello Kitty one.
Oh shit! 8 of them.
Oh, that makes... They're all cute.
Wait, they're all cute. Well, hold on. Oh man.
Is it a boring one?
Oh, this one's cute. But it's a boring one. It's this one.
It's still... Wait, that one's not boring.
Yeah,
I thought but that one has a basket. I didn't see that.
It's a little basket.
Wait, it's cute.
It is cute. Like, aww.
This is the one. To end Sasha's stay in the city, we decided to get some dessert for her last night here, and it was really fun to see all of my friends in person again. It's been a long time, and it kind of reminded me of college, and I remember now that I used to spend so much time with them in real life, and I really do miss that connection. Oftentimes now I think I'm really busy with work and my post-grad life that I forgot how much I really enjoy the company of other people. After lunch today, I headed into the city to grab a little pick-me-up at Yanni's to head into the office for the rest of the workday. The moment I got home because I'm like stress analyzing my work, I think, and I'm not gonna talk about work all that much, but like dinner was great, the day was beautiful, like I worked from home and then I went in, I put on this cute outfit, but oh my god, it was one of those late nights that I thought I was gonna edit YouTube videos instead, but I ended up analyzing my own day job work for 2 hours when I got back. So now it's so freaking late. I've been doom scrolling, doing research on my phone when I could have been editing videos and not looking at any of that type of stuff. So anyway, that's my night and I will try to get some good sleep. You know, true Lisa fashion, I'm back in the outfit I chose before, but with a different cardigan, and I like it better, but I'm definitely gonna be cold. Good morning. I finally got up before 8 o'clock today, so I think I'm gonna be on time. It also was helpful that I planned a coffee at 9:30 today, so I do have to be at the house and not dilly-dally and decide to eat lunch at home and things like that, so we really gotta go. This morning, I recovered from my little negative downfall last night, but you know, it's a work in progress. I don't feel at 100 yet, but I'm going to try to make today a little bit more productive than yesterday and hopefully feel better by the end. I do have dinner plans with my friend V. She's gonna come over and we're gonna cook, so I have lots to look forward to. And although I did not get enough sleep, you know, it's a new day, I can try again. It is what it is. What can I do about it? I then spent the rest of the day working in office, and it looks kind of empty here, but it was actually a nice busy day. I just don't film with my coworkers, but it was nice to do a lot of work in office today. Okay, and I'm leaving the office to go cook some dinner.
하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어 나 왜 이런 걸까 You're the cure to 널 좋아하는
Not too heavy.
이제는 더
I met V my freshman year of college and we've been friends since. She's now in the city, so we finally decided to meet up to cook at home together and spend a night in. She always told me my freshman year to cook more often and I did not know how to cook back then, so it was a full circle moment to do this together now in post-grad life.
You're my sunshine after rain 네가 좋아 무지개 핀 하늘을 봐
Today is a busy day today. I have not a lot of calls, but I have a lot of things to do at work before the weekend because I really don't want to pick up the laptop over the weekend. I have a lot of things going on. A friend is visiting for his birthday. I have a small event in the city tonight and I think I'm gonna get something new in my ears. So you guys will stay tuned for that. There might be a tattoo involved. Really exciting stuff. But I do have a lot of work to do and I also have lunch plans in the city. So I am working on the most productive mode today from home, and I also have to do laundry. Oh my god, I have to wash my bedding. I must say, after having laundry in the building, laundry in unit is a game changer. All throughout Boston, I've always had to leave my apartment to do my laundry and share it with random people. And now I get to use the two just for myself. So it's actually quite nice. Wow, there's so many overstimulating noises going on. Crispy. I finished up a bunch of morning calls and headed into the city for lunch plans, and it was actually in Hudson Yards. I'm never really around here, so it was nice to walk around a little bit on this nice day, and I got some lunch with my friend who I met recently, so it was really nice to catch up. After lunch, I sat down to get some more work done, and then I also headed home. I did not film that, but I had to rush home, get ready by like 6 p.m. and then head back into the city for an appointment I had at Astrid and Miu. They invited me in for a piercing and tattoo appointment, which I could bring a guest for. So I headed in, and fun fact, I actually got the rest of my piercings from Astrid and Miu, but my freshman year and in London. So this was a really fun full circle moment for me.
Just white gold, yellow gold, and then implant grade titanium on the end.
How do you feel? Are you like used to the feeling of getting your ears pierced at this point? Because you have a lot.
I don't know. I only have 3 on each ear, but it's been like almost 4 or 5 years since I got these. 4 years. Oh my god. Yeah.
Were those the last piercings you got?
Yeah, and it was right before the pandemic.
Oh wow.
Yeah, like maybe even like a little lower.
A little bit lower?
Yeah, even like right here. But right, is that weird?
No, it's fine. Yeah, it's mostly like aesthetic space. Yeah. So whichever one you like.
And then, alright. I feel like this one could be more separate just because it's really nice.
Yes, we can do that.
Maybe all the time. Right.
Yeah, we can do that. Clean up.
Let me see.
Oh, my ear's super red.
Yeah, your ear is super red, but that's so cute. Wait, let me like the focus. Cute.
I just got my piercings done. Damon's here as my guest. She's gonna get a tattoo. So that's
something right here. She texted me a couple days ago and was like, so, are you looking to get any tattoos or piercings soon?
my ear's really red, but I hope you guys can see this one. This one's really pretty. It's like a twinkly little stud with a emerald and a diamond.
Here? Or
사실은
I look at different placements. Oh, cute. Yes,
Huge thank you to Damen for always being down for my random side quests. This time I just texted her if she wanted a tattoo and she came with me, so I hope you enjoyed, Damen. And after this appointment, we parted ways and I headed off to my friend's birthday dinner and he came into town to celebrate.
Focus on you lately.
Happy birthday! Cheers!
You gotta keep trying, 이러다 놓쳤나. Blame it on my ADHD. Did you say you wanna date me? 나 생각보다 그렇게 착하지 않아. 너뿐이라고 거짓말한 건 미안해.
I think I need to start planning early morning, not early morning, but like earlier in the day plans the night after going out, because there's no way I'm gonna get out of bed without them. I roll out of bed at 1 p.m. today, so we're getting ready now at 2:26. Now I'm gonna do my makeup and hopefully look a little bit less sickly. Ready for a quick little walk. Although I got a really late start to my day, I still used the rest of the afternoon and into the night to edit a bunch of videos and some work content actually. So I sat in my building's lounge and pushed all that out for a few hours with Kevin before heading off to more dinner with our friend for his birthday. Happy birthday, Dorji!
Check it up. One day we're gonna do it. He's like, all right, all right.
Having steak is a rare occurrence for me.
At my core, I know that I'm an extrovert, and this past week really reminded me that I love being surrounded by the energy of other people and making time for the people that I love spending my time with. So this is your sign to do the same, and I will see you guys in my next video.
어제 마신 술이야